5:45. My girlfriend's snoring wife. Oh, we're holding hands. Go back to sleep, snoring wife. I'm giving you something to cuddle. Since I gotta go. Hey, let me take the tack out of it.
Oh.
Damn, you grab fast. Here, cuddle with it.
Cuddle with it right now.
No, I'm leaving. I want you to hold something soft.
Okay. Really?
I'm on me. There's deformed baby. It's on me.
I know, I was looking at the time. It's like, what the hell?
She's awake. Here. Cuddle. Damn.
What?
You just slammed your hand into me.
When?
I was going like this for you to cuddle, and you took your hand and you went like this. I was going like that, cuddle, and you went like, oh.
Oh, sorry, honey. I wasn't paying attention.
Do you like cuddling with this?
I don't want me to.
Do you want to?
Not really.
You don't like it?
I didn't say that.
Well, then can I cuddle with it tonight at home?
Yes, babe.
It's called Deformed Baby, huh?
Yes, it is.
Literally the fucking cutest thing ever. Deformed Baby. It's a banana with a monkey coming out of it, and its eyes look like it's all stone. I won that snoring wife at the Kmart fair, which is back.
Yeah?
Yeah, when I was driving home yesterday, I seen it. Can we go or not this year?
If I feel better.
Fuck, I hope you do. But what if you don't? We can't go?
Uh,
But the fair's in town. Do you want to cuddle with the monkey I gave you when you're sick?
no. I thought you were gonna take him home.
The other monkey. I gave you like 1,000 monkeys. You want to? Put up, Renee. Door.
What is it?
I think Elmo's cooking dinner. My hair. Alright. I'm getting kind of tired, so I...
Okay.
Huh?
So you good?
Yeah. I'm gonna cuddle with the form baby today, okay? I'm watching an anime right now called The Devil's a Part-Timer. It's pretty entertaining. And it's all in Japanese language, you know. Like... Hey, Caitlin, what's up, sis? You're in love with me, aren't you?
Oh,
Did you just say duh?
no.
You're so cute.
I'm a dad, man. You a dad,
A sexy lady like you? You're sexy, babe.
Huh?
I said you're hella sexy. I'm all fucking around with my nose. I'm gonna put on some badass music. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Hey. Put it down for the motherfucking north side of Boston. Tell every county, Central Cali, and the 559. We play for kicks in these streets, hack hit and bust on big creep on our enemies and love to smoke weed. We don't believe everything we read or even see. Fools play games and only want you to think that they're G's, but they ain't. Some of these bitches are so fake. Much love to all the real and fuck everybody who hates. Fuck everybody, everybody. Everybody hates. Before we go, Central California, Northern Hills, and every county, you got R-E-C-O-U-N-T. We ride hard in the streets, motherfucking C-I. Before we go, Central California, Northern Hills, and every county, you got R-E-C-O-U-N-T. We ride hard in the streets, motherfucking C-I. Welcome to my area, we gangbang on scrappers from Tula to Machete. I live like body, the way I ride on these levels, hit. What is this?
Before I started using Inbot.
What in the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck's wrong with it? Sorry. My goodness. Oh my god. Dude. The fuck?